Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the carrier voicemail is active and you know the PIN. Carriers control the mailbox. Once done, make sure your Samsung has mobile signal and charge is adequate. Open the phone app and tap the voicemail icon or press and hold the one key to call your voicemail service. You do this now because the carrier greeting and initial setup are handled through that call menu. Following prompts begins creating your mailbox and greeting. You will now follow the voice prompts carefully. Create a secure PIN, record your name and a standard or personal greeting, and confirm settings. Listen for menu numbers and use the keypad to select options. This is how the carrier stores your preferences. If your Samsung supports visual voicemail, go to Phone App Settings, enable visual voicemail, and grant permissions to download messages. Doing both ensures you can retrieve messages by call or visually in the app, which is faster and more reliable. You finish by testing the setup. Call your number from a different phone and leave a message, then check the phone app or call into voicemail to play it back. Make sure notifications and playback volume are correct and that visual voicemail shows the message if enabled. If something fails, restart your phone, toggle airplane mode to reset network, and confirm voicemail number in settings. If problems persist, contact your carrier, since mailbox provisioning and PIN resets are managed on their side.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.